Hello, everyone. My name is Paul Hasselt, and I'm the Director of Technical Account Management here at NetFortris. And I wanted to welcome everyone to the Microsoft Teams community demo, as we'll be going over a high-level overview of what features you get with our community and Teams integration. Now, most of you may be already familiar with Microsoft Teams. It's part of the Office 365 application suite and has been one of the fastest growing applications in 2020. It does some things very well, such as inter-office instant communication, making it easy for you to instant message somebody or have group chats, and lets you also share files real easily with these people, specifically from OneDrive very easily. It also does very good ad hoc internal video conferencing between individuals or teams of individuals. Now, if you use it for your day-to-day calling, you may have realized that it does have some limited calling capabilities. It's got some very basic call features such as transfer, hold, and voicemail. There's no call center capabilities or ring groups. There's no IVR or call menu environment auto attendant. It's also not built on a voice network, and it does not prioritize the voice traffic. As well as providing limited tech support, most businesses at the end of the day will realize they need a little bit more for their unified communications business phone system needs. And this is where NetFortris comes in and can fill in all those needs. So what do you get with the NetFortris Teams integration? We give you folks unlimited calling to the United States and select European countries. You'll receive a local phone number, so you can give that out and people can call you directly on that, as well as you'll be able to be a member of a ring group or a call center queue to receive calls like that in group environments, as well as you do get a visual IVR auto attendant, so you can control the experience that your customers receive when they call into your business, whether that's routing to a live answer group of individuals or being presented with a select group of options that they can press an option and get routed to that appropriate team. You'll also get audio conference bridges as well as phone system presence integration. So you can see if somebody else is on a call and you can either wait or text message them instead of trying to call them when they're already on the phone, as well as a couple of voicemail integration options that we'll be going over and some premium features such as always on call recording. Now, our integration is a little bit different from the rest as we offer consolidated billing. You'll get one bill for the integration and phone services, as well as our installation process is a little bit different from the rest. In many scenarios, they'll let you get the integration, set it up yourself, separate bill, two separate environments and experiences. In our situation, we'll be providing you with the service. We'll work with your teams during the installation process to set up the system exactly how you need it for your day-to-day businesses. So what do we need to have in order to get this up and running? For the requirements from the Microsoft Teams side, of course, you'll need the Teams application and the Microsoft Phone System add-on. A lot of folks will have the E3 license package, and you'll need to get the Microsoft Phone System add-on for it. Or if you have the E5, that typically includes the Phone System add-on already. Now, there are some other packages that you might have, and just know you can simply obtain the Microsoft Phone System add-on, and that'll suffice on that end. And from the NetFortris side, all you'll need is a standard community user license and the Microsoft Teams subscription. Now, without further delay, let's jump into the Teams environment, and we can see what this comes with. Now, most of it, of course, will be under the Calls tab, and you'll notice you have a little dial number button here. Press that, and you'll get your dial pad interface. You can easily see your direct dial number that you could give out to individuals, and if you need to dial somebody, just put in the phone number here and click call. Now, once the call is established, you have the ability to see the participants here on the call. You have a dial pad, so you could enter any kind of key press options or dial an extension, for example. And you get some of the basic call controls, such as placing the call on hold, doing a transfer or consultant transfer. It's also known as a warm or attended transfer. And one of the cool options you can do also is turn on live captions, which will basically transcode the call live as it's taking place. Now, you have all of your speed dials available here. and you can easily click to call all of them. You can also add them to your speed dial groups, edit them from here, of course. Now, your contacts will show all the users in your organization, as well as any other types of star codes, such as the conferencing system or the voicemail system here, as well as letting you add additional contacts as you need. If I want to click any of these, it will simply call them, as well as your call history will be presented here. So you can see any of the calls that you've placed or received, easily giving you the ability to call those folks back. And if it's somebody that you're going to frequently interact with, you can additionally create speed dials or add them to your contacts, even blocking them from contacting you. Now, the voicemails, you'll have a couple of options, as I mentioned. During the installation, we'll ask you, do you want to use the Teams voicemail system or the community voicemail system? And both of them offer visual voicemail experiences where you can listen to the voicemail message. They'll be transcribed here. And additionally, the community one could do voicemail to email, but totally up to you. You can use whichever one that you prefer. Now, last but not least, of course, for the video meetings, you can do phone dial-ins. So, for example, if I meet now, it'll give you the phone audio option. I click join. And what this will do is it will prompt me to put in a phone number to have it call you. It doesn't give you a dial-in number, but I can have it call my direct dial here. I can have it call a cell phone. I'm going to just have it call my test number here. And you'll receive an inbound call that once you answer, there it is, it'll place you via whatever device you've answered it at into the meeting. And that is a high-level overview of our MS Teams integration. Remember, keep an eye out for our monthly newsletters. They'll help keep our customers and partners informed of our latest products, as well as community updates. Please send any product questions to salesengineers@netfortris.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow us on LinkedIn to be the first to see our latest product updates. Thank you, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.